In this video, I'm going to show you how to shop with points on Amazon. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Amazon.com or other Amazon if you live in another country. If you live in Germany, Amazon.de, for example. And what you want to do, you want to scroll down, and all the way down you can see all these different options. And where you want to go, you want to go to Amazon Payment Products and hit Shop with Points. So what this will do, you can pay on Amazon with points that you gathered on your credit card. So if you have an Amazon store card or Amazon Reward Visa signature card, you can just use the card's points to buy stuff on Amazon. So if you have any of these cards that you use just to pay or to gather money, you can also pay with the points on Amazon. So that is basically what you want to do, and then you can pay with it. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.